Hi there. So really quickly, this is a tutorial on how to make your course available to your students. So when you log into Blackboard, you click on the title of the course and you come down to customization, properties, and down here you'll see make course available. And so you just want to click yes and then submit. There are all kinds of ways here that you can actually make it so that it's not available past the last day of classes. Totally up to you, but just for this first start of enabling the shell of your course, make course available, yes. And that will allow you, even if you haven't populated any information, to be able to email your students through Blackboard.